Hi everyone, my name is Danielle Favron and this is a story of me and my family. So right here, this picture is taken from about a year ago with me, my mom, and my sister. I am currently 24 years old. My sister was 20 in this picture, but she's now 21, and then my mom is right there. My family has always been my rock. About 4 years ago, my parents decided to get a divorce, so I don't see my dad as often, but I do still see him a lot, so I do have a relationship with him. I'm very thankful to be able to still have a relationship with both my parents despite the divorce. The divorce has been hard, especially as it came around the time that I was giving birth to my firstborn. It definitely played a role in how I view marriages, but I have not let it affect me negatively with my marriage. My family, like I said, has always been my rock. Everywhere that I look, they have always been right there beside me. I am very thankful that no matter what circumstances, they have always been around, and that I know that I'll be able to continually depend on them. My mom is of German descent. Her mom actually grew up in Germany during the time of World War II. She has many incredible stories of growing up in Germany during the war, and for that I am extremely thankful. My grandma, who we called her Oma, passed away in October of 2018, and I miss her every day, but I know that she's still looking over us and watching over us and protecting us. This is from October 15th, 2016, when I gave birth to my firstborn, Emma Sophia Favron. She was born healthy and happy, and I am incredibly blessed to be her mama. She is now 3.5 years old and a ray of sunshine to everyone she meets. She has taught me more about life and love than any other person has ever. I am very thankful that me and her dad were there on the day that she gave birth, or the day that she came to the world, and that my family and friends were right there beside us. On March 2nd, 2019, my husband and I got married finally. It is a very beautiful day, and we were able to get married in front of our closest family and friends. We wanted to have a bigger ceremony, but due to the rushing of his grandma leaving to go back to Peru, we were unable to. However, I am so happy with the way it turned out because it was the most amazing day in my life. My husband is of Peruvian descent. He and his family grew up in Peru and then came over to the States pretty early on in his life. He's now 25 years old. The family has been a huge influence in my life. I have learned more about Peruvian culture than I ever knew before, and I'm very happy to say of all that I'm learning is helping me to grow to be a more diverse and dynamic woman. I am very thankful for my husband because I know that despite everything, he's always going to be there for me and our kids, and that is something that I look forward to every single day of my life. Right here is taken from March 26, 2020, when my son was born into the world. He was born healthy and happy as well, like his sister Emma. He is very happy. His name is James Mark Favron. He is a breastfed baby, but due to my recent appendicitis, I had to be in the hospital for 6 days, so he had to be stopped breastfeeding, which was a hard transition for me more than him, I think. But overall, he is so much happier now that I am back home with him, and he is very happy and healthy. This is a picture of my family, of all of us together. I am so happy that no matter what happens, they are always going to be around and that I can always depend on them. My kids, who are now 3 and 1 years old, have been so helpful in my life and have made me a stronger and more caring individual. I am so thankful that my husband and I get to go along this journey and learn about how to be parents and grow no matter where this life takes us. Here are a few more pictures of me and my kids. They truly are the light of my life, and I am so thankful for them each and every day. They get along so well, as you can see in this picture, and they are just so playful and happy all the time, and it makes my heart so filled with joy. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed this presentation.